we just stayed at a hotel in a place called Gardamilli, and then we decided last minute that we wanted to go up Mount Taygetus, but that actually meant us going back the way we came, back to Sparti, and then to a town called Ziracampi, and from Ziracampi you can take a road all the way up to the mountain to a refuge point, which is the best way to walk up, as it only takes 2 hours from there.
I'm about to pee my pants.
Trying to get up there. There's a cycle race going on today, which has sort of blocked the main way. So we're trying to like circumvent this cycle race, but it's become problematic. We can't make around. I've driven some crazy roads, but I think what Christina's about to film in the distance there is just impassable. Like I wouldn't be able to take this car down there.
Somebody's walking a bit ahead. We stopped the car, trying to get up to get the mountain. But everything says not today, so we're still trying. And see how bad this road is for the car, rent a car to drive. It's pretty bad. It's as if someone's torn off tarmac.
It's proving very difficult to get this flipping mountain, because once we get to the refuge point, apparently it's a 2.5 hour walk. Quite difficult, but not like people like the locals do it like every year, so it's not like it's impossible. It's like perfect conditions today to go up. I really don't want to get involved with that cycle race thing. We really enjoyed it, saw a guy crash. Like watching it, actually it's nice clapping people along, but the elite guys, but apparently they're supposed to finish at 1 o'clock. But I don't believe it will, because we were in Sparti and they were doing the same thing. It's like they're doing stages, aren't they? And that was going on to like 7 last night. So I don't know, the adrenaline's going though. Like driving on these roads really is like fun. There was like, we had obviously like some people coming the other way, let them pass, etc. Like it's really technical, but the car's tiny, which is the main thing. So we gave up trying to go round the mountain roads and went back to the original town, and the race was over. That meant we could get on the actual route and start heading up the mountain.
We found some water, finally.
Running
stream.
So I think we've come as far as we can go in the Fiat. This is like a river stream, and I think that's it. That's all she wrote. So we won't be going up the mountain because we can't get up to the point where we can start walking from in this car.
We're going for it. Getting crazy. We're going for it. Just keep them straight now, you're fine. Careful. Like a Fiat 500 over here.
So we managed to get a bit further up, but the car, I can't. It's not going to do it. It's just crazy.
It's dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous. So we're going to try and drive it down. I'm a bit nervous driving down because it's quite shady. So I'm going to have to drive like super careful, like not use the brakes as much as I'd like. Just a stunning view though from up here, like incredible. Shame we couldn't go to the top. It really is, but like we haven't got time. Like I was just hoping that the road would be like gravel, yeah, but I mean, well, you can see what the roads are like. Because people are saying like it's passable in a conventional car, but I think it depends on conditions, and these are years ago. This road changes with the rains. I just wanted to get up today because it's perfect conditions, but looks like we're not going to get up today. I'm just going to slowly drive down.
Crazy. Oh my god. Careful. Oh, there's rocks. Oh my god. Looks better on camera than it does in real life.
Yeah, it's not coming across.
Tell you that much. Oh my god.
Christina's just guiding me through the watery bit, and now she's decided to run ahead. She wants to do a bit of exercise.
You for 1 kilometre.
So we've got down safely, car's unscathed. Yeah, basically I got to the top and I thought to myself, I'm not going to be able to sleep here tonight because we're going to have to walk up in the morning. I really wanted to go up. It's one of those things where like...
We're stubborn, aren't we?
Yeah, we were like, oh, the drive to go up,
There's some signs
the
they
motivation
said
to
not
stay
to go.
up. Yeah, the motivation to
kept
stay
going.
up, to go up, just dwindled and dwindled and dwindled. And then when we stopped, I was like shaking, so I was like, I've just driven all that road. I haven't like, done the car in. And then we have to drive, think I've got to drive all that back down. And I just wanted to get it done with. I thought while I've done it, and also because I skidded on the way up, once or twice, I thought once I skid on the way down. And that was playing on my mind. So I was like, I just want to get down. I really wanted to climb that mountain. I don't know why.
Sometimes there's some signs saying no.
Yeah,
It's good
cycling
tonight.
thing.
You should fight a few battles before you win the fight.
Oh,
or the war.
You heard that from someone.
Yeah, I did that anyway. But sometimes maybe it's best. All the signs say no. You should listen to signs.
We could have parked there, slept, but it was like such a long time. It was still like 4 or 5 o'clock. It was like awkward timing. Like
Yeah.
it'd been different.
Gets dark
It'd been
so quick.
different if we got up there straight away and we parked there. We could have walked up
Yeah.
and walked down and done it. Like it'd been a 3-4 hour walk
Yeah.
and then down and then got the car and then got back down safely. But because of like the cycling thing that went on, it all just the plan. It wasn't going to plan. And the amount of mountain road I've driven to get like trying to figure out a way to get past the cycling thing, and all it turned out to be, if I could, but the Greeks weren't. There was lost in translation. All I needed to do was get onto this little road, which I could have done by going behind all the back roads, I think, and I would have avoided the cycle race. Because I assumed the cycle race was going down the mountain road or part of the mountain road, because they were going, no, you can't go there. But I think maybe they meant you can't go there as in like the road is not good enough for your car. Maybe they meant that. Anyway, we got down safely. Car is actually
They're lying.
like it needs washing. But other
We
than
do
that,
as well.
yeah. But other than that, I don't think. Well, we got some good views from up there. Don't get me wrong. And I enjoyed driving. Like it was technically like an adrenaline but rush. But I think what we're going to do now is Google somewhere, relax in a hotel, have a bit of food. I need some food and a beer. Oh my god, do I need a beer? So another beautiful day in Greece. Today we're in Olympia and we're going to go see the ancient Olympic ruins. We've just been to this brilliant Archimedes museum. I had a great time.
So Ellis was too keen to stay there, so I had to buy one to get him out of this museum.
I couldn't do it though. I was so you.
That's a metal
Oh,
one.
it's really nice.
It's very nice. And that's 25 euros, but it's going to be there forever, and it's just like game
for
for
kids as well, isn't it?
anybody, the whole family, isn't it?
Something around the tea table, coffee
And
table.
first thing we bought, bought a towel.
It's more of a gift for the house, isn't it? Really?
Yes, I think so.
Something that's great about Greece is that we're watching excavations live. Seeing history being unveiled, it's just phenomenal. They're doing a lot of gardening today, so there's lots of saw work and there's lots of school trips here, but it's an amazing place nonetheless. And this is the highlight archaeologically wise. This is one of the best places to visit if you're interested in ancient history. It's like the most intact, loads of sea site, and I've been diving or snorkeling or whatever and looking for archaeological sites, but this one's by far the best one. The archaeological site of Olympia. man.
Just film you cutting it now.
I think it's more of that kind of bread.
Is it? Good.
I can feed myself.
Bubbly.
Is it?
Oh, look at this, it's bubbling.
I don't want to touch that.
Is it hot?
That smells
I want to touch it.
so bad. Not warm, is it?
No.
There we are. Got tons and tons of silicate, probably sulfur, some sulfuric compound, I don't know. There are, to be fair, changing rooms here, so people actually bathe in these waters. Now, I'm sure that me saying it smells here is maybe not doing the place justice. The water does have a certain feel to it. I'm sure it's got medicinal properties. I'm not being funny, but I'm not jumping in that. Look, there's rusty bits, and then there's that, and like leaves. It needs like, if it's all cleaned out, I bet it's lush. But because it's autumn, you know, it's this quiet time, you know, you can forgive them. I mean, there's bins there as well. It's obviously a thing.